Wayne, just briefly to reflect on last night, a terrific game, and you were voted man of the match as well. Quite an evening all round.
Yeah, delighted that I got man of the match. We had some good chances, but also they had some good chances as well. But now we'll take the positives out of the game, and be happy with the 0-0. People talk about the free kick a lot. Saw it quite late, but yeah, I made a couple of good saves in there. So yeah, all delighted that it didn't go in. As soon as we walked out the tunnel, like saying 30 odd thousand. Hopefully we can get that all the time. They're a massive part to how the campaign will turn for us now. Like saying they were going from the first minute to the last, so hopefully they can keep doing it for us.
Seems to be a feeling that has been for quite a while about this group of players. It seems as if people actually believe that now, and that's why they turned up last night.
Yeah, they should believe, because we've got some fantastic players in the team now, in the squad. So, like saying, all the staff and all that have been superb. So yeah, they should believe and come and support us.
As part of the goalkeeping union, I bet you were quite impressed with Begovic's save from Gareth Bale's effort late on. Nobody expected that.
Yeah, I spoke to him after the game, and I seen it from a different angle, and it's a fantastic save. That I think that goes in. Oh my God, what a night that would have been for us. But then again, goalkeepers union, he's pulled off a world-class save there.
And just looking ahead to the Cyprus game, great atmosphere. You'd want the same again, wouldn't you?
Oh, it's a massive game for us. We know they'll be a good team, so hopefully we can get 3 points, and the only way we can do that is with the crowd as well. So hopefully we can get exactly the same turnout, and that'll be fantastic.
Bet you're all drained today. Chilling out?
Yeah, gonna chill out today, and then we'll push straight on tomorrow and get prepared for Cyprus.